Hi, welcome to Deb's Villa Cucina. You know, we rarely do desserts, you know that, right? But these are so cute and so easy. I thought I'd just share them with you. I saw them on, somebody shared them with me, and it's like, all right, I've just got to show my followers. So I just made a pan of brownies, and you're gonna cut them up the way you normally did. I did 16 pieces. If you want huge ones, because that's what you eat, but it's about the size of, that's about 1/16 of my pan. And I shaped it into a pine cone shape interior. Now, again, it's any brownie mix you want to use. Then what you're going to do is take slivered almonds, and in that shape, you're going to put them in there, because what we're going to do is we're going to make it look like a pine cone. And then we're going to drizzle chocolate on, like so. And that looks kind of pretty. And all this was chocolate chips and some coconut oil, very little bit of coconut oil. And then to top it off, make it look like it's been snowed upon. There, and powdered sugar, and let it dry. Isn't that a beautiful presentation? It's a brownie that looks like a pine cone. I hope you try these.